Is your productivity stopped because Zlib Project can't find the zlibd1 module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before we start the zlibd1 module configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the zlibd1 module, the debug version of the standard Zlib compression library. It is used by developers to track memory allocation and decompression errors during software testing. If a consumer application reports this file is missing, it usually means the developer accidentally left a debug configuration active in the final build. Users can usually resolve this by placing a renamed copy of the retail zlib1.dll in the application folder. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. A missing zlibd1 module DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the Zlib Project integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including zlibd1 module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of zlibd1 module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes zlibd1 module-related documentation. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for zlibd1 module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.